YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Bradman17 coming at y'all with a quick little video today, man. Running a quick errand, bro, on this lovely straightaway. You know what I'm saying? New tires. I'm gonna be getting those. I'm about to. As soon as I get home, I'm gonna go ahead and order those, cause I mean, can't be riding around out here on these bald ass tires, man. If you ain't seen my tires, go look at my last video, man, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But what we got today, man, really just out here, nothing crazy, nothing major. I think I may fill up on gas because I'm already down to like 210 miles. I just filled up yesterday. And I guess I done drove close to 100 miles. I mean, it's hot as hell, so you know the AC's been running. But I mean, yeah. But I gotta get these new tires, man. I cannot keep riding around out here like this here, bro. This shit dangerous as fuck. Like I was telling y'all about people hydroplaned and stuff like that. Like my boy Lord Shift, like I just seen that he hydroplaned his car, bro. Like this shit real out here, man. Like whenever if you buy you a Mopar, or really like whenever it's raining in general, bro, make sure that y'all are not trying to go crazy out here. Make sure y'all not trying to slide, not trying to speed, anything like that. Especially if you know for a fact that your tires are not good, bro. Like right now, if it was turn the AC down. If it was raining right now, bro, it wouldn't be good for me to be out here riding, bro. It wouldn't be, like, cause like I said, my tires, them bitches bald, so it's like you can't be out here riding on bald tires, bro. Or like, I mean, you can, but do I recommend it? Hell no. And this lake right here, man, they said like last week, a couple weeks ago, whatever, they said the damn firefighter drowned out here, man. They said bro went kayaking. If you don't know what kayaking is, it's them little short boats or whatever. Bro went kayaking and I mean, somehow he ended up in the water, bro, and he couldn't get out. I mean, so it's like, damn, man. But nah, for real, man. Bro, when the roads are wet, bro, you gotta be careful out here how you drive. Watch, he finna debo this motherfucker. But I'm not letting him get over here. So he gonna have to find out what he gonna do. Like, I hate when motherfuckers do that, bro. Like, you see bro driving, he cruising. Yeah, he cruising. But then we got bro right here in the truck. He wanna debo his ass. I mean, I see, it's cool what y'all doing, bro, but I mean, somebody got to make up their mind, man. Either speed up or get the fuck out of the way. Selling watermelons and shit. On that grind. Entrepreneurs, you know. Can't knock the hustle, dog. Cannot knock the hustle, dog. But, you know. Yeah, I'm going to fill up my gas. I'm going to go ahead and fill up. Even though whenever I started driving, it said I was at 210. Now it's saying I'm at 212, so I'm gonna just go ahead, top it off, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, y'all comment down below. What do y'all want to see on the channel, man? If you've been watching my videos, bro, and you not down in the comments on every video, bro, like I don't know, man. Like the way the channel pop off is, you know, y'all got to be down there in the comments. Y'all got to be getting active in the comment section. And I know it's a lot of people that be watching the videos, the full videos. Go ahead and comment, bro. I'm responding to all comments. I promise you I will get back to your comment. But you got to comment, though. So, like I said, man, comment down below what y'all want to see. Like, if y'all want to see, I mean, y'all gonna see the new tires, of course. I'm gonna show y'all the tires too before I order them. So I mean, we good in that regard, but y'all let me know what else y'all wanna see. You know we got the mid-muffler delete coming soon. I might just make a video on the stock exhaust. Just show y'all what it sounds like before I get that mid-muffler delete. But yeah. Damn it. This stuff, my pump on the left. And this whole busting, man. This whole bussin'. My B, bro. My B, bro. Nah, let me just pull around here. Pull in. How much y'all think it's gonna cost me to top this bitch off, man? We gonna see. Last time I came to this station, all the machines was tweaking out. But we're gonna see what they hitting for today. Me personally, I'm a pretty big fan of Shell gas. Just because I know that like every time that I've purchased my gas from the Shell, it done got me right as far as like the gas mileage. So we're gonna try to get right today. Again, we at 212, but I don't have 212 miles on here. I'm about to top it off. I just put 54 in here yesterday. We're gonna see how much they hit me for today. But I will be right back with y'all. And they just hit a fat ass lick on my dumb ass. $20. Oh. They just hit me for 20 bands, bro. God damn. But we got 314 miles though, so we cooking, man. But nah. That's crazy though. I spent $54 on gas yesterday. Filled up today. About 20 bucks. It's crazy. But I mean, obviously, man, hey, you watching my video, you thinking about getting a car like this here, Dodge Charger RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat, anything like that, let me chill. Let me not fucking burn out all my gas. But nah, you think about getting a car like this here, biggest thing, bro, understand that you will be spending money on gas. Understand that gas is not cheap. That shit $3 a gallon, $3-4 a gallon, $3.30 a gallon, $3.50 a gallon, bro. It is not cheap. But that's why I said, like, if you know your driving habits, if you know the places that you got to get to every day, as long as they not 20, 30 miles away from each other, you know, you probably be good having this car. But if you know you got your drive to work is an hour or shit, really, if your drive to work is 20 minutes, I've been saying an hour, bro, but if your drive to work is about 20 minutes or longer, bro, you probably don't want to drive this car to work here. Because just do the simple math, bro. If you're driving 20 miles to work, 20 miles home, that's 40 miles a day. Let's just throw in another 10 miles for just some, you know, miscellaneous stuff. You got to go to the grocery store. You got to go pick up your kids from school. You know, your brother asked for a ride, like something, I don't know. Your homeboy trying to go hoop, you went to go pick him up. You dropped him off back home after the gym, you know. Let's just go ahead, let's just say 50 miles a day. 50 miles a day, okay? At 50 miles a day, brother. 50 miles a day, brother. That's gonna be at least 350 miles for the week. At least. And this car don't get 350 miles in the tank. So, do you do the math? You filling up at least 4 times a month. That's gonna be at least $200. All right. And to be generous, we'll say that got you 1,200 miles, bro. Toyota Camry hybrid. If you want to drive 1,200 miles in a month, let's say you get 450 miles per fill up. The gas cheaper. Let's say you spending $30 per fill up. That's close to $60, man. So would you rather pay $60 a month on gas to drive about 1,000 miles? Or would you rather pay $200 a month on gas to drive 1,200 miles? And if you go over that 1,500, 2,000 miles, obviously you're going to be spending a little bit more. That's why I said, when me and my girl, whenever we drove out to Fayetteville, man, we did not take this car. Because, I mean, that shit would have made, it makes no sense. Yes, you want to take it on a lovely fucking road trip. You want to take the car on a lovely road trip, you know, enjoy the car, enjoy the scenery, the sights, the sounds, all that goodness. But at what cost, bro? At what cost? And by no means, bro, I'm not tripping on the gas. Because, I mean, if you've been watching my videos, you know I be finding ways to save money on gas. So it's like, right now I'm getting 5% cash back because of my credit card. I got the Discover It credit card. Hey, if you don't have a Discover It credit card, bro, I don't know what you're doing, man. Don't know what you're doing. But y'all could have been had y'all a Discover It credit card, bro. I'm saving 5% on gas for this quarter. So we got a couple more months of that. 5% cash back at that. 5% cash back. If it's your first year having the car, bro, it's 10%. So really, you do the math, bro. I ain't no goddamn math wizard, no mathematician, math genius. But if I'm spending $3 a gallon on gas and I'm getting 10% cash back on gas, that's 30 cents off a gallon, bro. If I'm spending $200 per month on gas and I'm getting 10% cash back on gas, that's $20 a month. Okay? It's free money, but I mean y'all know what to do, man. But I love this car, bro. You see the gas mileage, I'm at like 301. It's been fluctuating. It was at 314. It dropped down and got that 296. Now I'm at 301. It'll probably finish up a little higher once I get back to the crib, but it's like, bro, you gotta do what you gotta do to sell that dog food. And if you got a good bit, you better send her to law school because you're gonna need it. That's what Durkio said. You my dog for sure. If you ain't heard that song, it's called Downfall. It got Lil Baby on it. It got Dolph. It got Durk. It's a legendary lineup on a legendary song on a legendary beat. Go check it out, man. But yeah, I'm done enough rambling. That's pretty much it for this video. That's really all I got. Y'all comment down below, man. Make sure y'all leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more, you know where to find it at. Go ahead and subscribe. You want to see different types of videos, again, go ahead and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next one. I'm gone, brothers. Peace.